there, glad you're here. If your kitchen is your favorite place in the house, or you're looking for ways to cook smarter and faster, you're definitely in the right spot. In today's video, we're uncovering must-have kitchen tools that save time, reduce mess, and make every meal a breeze. Whether you're a passionate foodie or just learning to boil water, these clever tools will change the way you chop, prep, and plate. Links to everything we feature are down in the description below. Now, let's jump in and revolutionize your kitchen game. Number 1 is the ThermoMaven electric salt and pepper grinder set, your sleek stainless steel kitchen upgrade. With a 110 milliliter extra large capacity, this set holds 250% more than standard grinders, meaning fewer refills and more flavor. It's USB-C rechargeable, and one full charge lasts up to 1 month of daily use. No batteries, no waste, just pure convenience. Choose from 6 adjustable coarseness levels to match every recipe perfectly. Whether you're seasoning steak, salad, or soup, get the grind just right every time. The LED light helps you see clearly when cooking at night, and the internal ceramic grinder is designed for maximum flavor release. Plus, it's easy to clean, with washable contact parts and a brush included. Crafted from premium stainless steel, it's not just durable, it's elegant. The modern design looks fantastic on any countertop or dining table. Upgrade your kitchen game with ThermoMaven, the perfect blend of performance, style, and practicality. Number 2 is the Yerima 2-in-1 oil sprayer set, the perfect combo of elegance and function for every home cook. This 2-piece set is perfect for any kitchen, combining a sleek design with smart usability. Each bottle holds 16 ounces, enough to cut down on constant refills. The tinted body helps shield your oils, like olive or avocado oil, from sunlight, preserving freshness. The 2-in-1 nozzle lets you spray or pour your oil with precision, giving you total control over your cooking. The push tops around 0.2 grams, helping you use just the right amount without waste. Plus, the set includes 10 waterproof labels with clean, modern fonts, making it easy to organize your oils at a glance. Made of food-grade borosilicate glass, it's durable, BPA-free, and safe for both hot and cold oils. Simple, smart, and space-saving. The Yerima oil sprayer is your go-to for effortless daily cooking. Number 3 is the VenDotbi rice dispenser, the smarter way to store your grains. With a massive 22 to 25 pounds capacity, it easily holds rice, beans, flour, corn, or pet food. Worried about freshness? No problem. There's a built-in fresh box lets you add cloves, bay leaves, or desiccants to keep pests and moisture away. So every meal starts with clean, fresh ingredients. You'll love the one-touch smart dispensing system. Just press, and you get the exact amount every time, mess-free. The included measuring cup makes portioning effortless, perfect for daily cooking or meal prep. Its compact design fits easily on countertops or in cabinets without taking up too much space. From rice to cereal, this all-in-one storage container keeps your kitchen clean, organized, and efficient. Number 4 is the CycleMore 48-pack spice jar set, the all-in-one solution to organize your kitchen beautifully. Each set includes 48 square 4-ounce glass jars, shaker lids, silver metal caps, plus 120 chalkboard labels, a chalk marker, a collapsible silicone funnel, and 2 cleaning brushes. Everything you need in one kit. The jars are made of lead-free food-grade glass, clear and durable, giving you a clean look at every spice inside. Their uniform square shape fits neatly into spice racks, drawers, or cabinets, perfect for salt, pepper, herbs, or your secret blend. Labeling is easy with reusable chalkboard stickers. Just write, wipe, and relabel. And with the funnel, pouring spices without spills has never been easier. Upgrade your spice storage today. With CycleMore, your kitchen just got a lot more organized and stylish. Number 5 is the Ourokhome Mandolin food slicer, your all-in-one kitchen slicing solution. This 6-in-1 set comes with 6 interchangeable stainless steel blades for slicing, shredding, grating, waffle cuts, and more. Perfect for potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, onions, and even cheese. What makes it stand out? The hand-safe design keeps your fingers away from sharp blades. No more cuts or stress in the kitchen. The built-in container collects your veggies neatly while you slice. Less mess, less cleanup. The compact, stackable blade tray makes it easy to store, saving space in your drawers or cabinets. Whether you're prepping a salad, stir-fry, or dinner party snacks, this slicer saves time and delivers precision. Number 6 is the FRESKO vacuum sealer, your new best friend in the kitchen. With 95 kilopascal double pump suction and a 140-watt motor, it seals up to 30 bags in just 15 minutes. The double heat sealing system locks in freshness, keeping food fresh up to 8 times longer. Got delicate or juicy food? Try the Pulse Vac, plus extended seal mode for perfect results. Automatic bag detection makes sealing fast and hands-free. Just insert the bag and press go. Comes with 10 pre-cut vacuum bags. The compact design saves space on your counter while still sealing like a pro. FRESKO is perfect for bulk buyers, home cooks, and anyone who loves fresh food. Number 7 is the CNGLASS 600 milliliter clear glass teapot. Handcrafted borosilicate glass teapot. Stovetop and microwave safe. With a removable stainless steel infuser, it's perfect for blooming teas or loose leaf blends. Crafted from high-grade, heat-resistant glass, BPA-free, lead-free, and toxin-free. Enjoy the beauty of watching your tea leaves unfurl through its crystal-clear body. Dishwasher safe and designed with a drip-free spout for easy, clean pouring. Available in 600, 900, and 1200 milliliter sizes, perfect for brewing multiple cups and ideal as a gift or for personal enjoyment. A premium teapot built to last, elegant, durable, and made to elevate your tea rituals. Number 8 is the LQZ Cold Press Juicer. Start your healthy mornings with the LQZ Cold Press Juicer. This sleek machine features a 5.4-inch wide feed chute, so you can juice whole fruits and veggies, no chopping required. With a 350-watt motor and 6 upgraded spiral blades, it crushes and squeezes efficiently, giving you more juice and less oxidation. It's the perfect combo of power and nutrition. The slow masticating system at 50 RPM protects vitamins and fiber, delivering rich flavor and better health with every glass. You'll taste the difference in every sip. Equipped with a dual-layer filter, it separates pulp effectively without clogging. Ideal for celery, carrots, apples, or even ginger. And it's easy to clean with the detachable parts. Whether you're on a juice cleanse or just starting a better lifestyle, this juicer makes it simple and enjoyable. Less prep, more juice, and pure goodness. Number 9 is the DMTXCRP 2-tier dish drying rack, the ultimate space-saving solution for your kitchen. With a compact size of 17 by 13 inches, this rack holds everything from plates and bowls to pots and glassware without crowding your counter. The 2-in-1 detachable design lets you separate the top tier for flexible use in tight spaces. It's perfect for small kitchens or big families who need extra drying space. Equipped with a 360-degree rotatable drainage pipe and elevated base, water flows directly into your sink. No messy puddles on the counter. Made from rust-proof stainless steel, this rack resists warping and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting durability and a sleek modern look. Easy to assemble in under 5 minutes. No tools required. Just snap it together and it's ready to use. Stay organized and dry dishes faster, all in one stylish rack. Number 10 is the Chef Power Ceramic Cookware Set, a 19-piece kitchen upgrade in one compact stack. With detachable handles and stackable design, this set saves up to 70% of storage space. It's neat, organized, and perfect for any kitchen size. Made with healthy ceramic non-stick coating, these pots and pans are free from PTFE and harmful toxins. Cook with peace of mind and no sticking. Whether you're using gas, electric, induction, or ceramic stoves, it's fully compatible. And oven safe up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. Cleaning is easy, just toss them in the dishwasher. From daily meals to weekend feasts, this set does it all. Safely, stylishly, and efficiently.